Parks. We are at the Integrated Science Center, William and Mary, and we have an older ThyssenKrupp, but unfortunately it's gotten a mad button.
Yeah, we used to have these buttons.
Listen to this, call recognition.
With really dim buttons. That was pretty quick.
Definitely an older ThyssenKrupp.
I like the way that sounds really nice.
The old fake LED indicator.
The what?
Fake LED indicator.
Doesn't even have FEOK1 on this one. These buttons are sticky.
This is about as Dover as a ThyssenKrupp I've ever seen.
I like that indicator up there.